Welcome to our video on how to make this 3D part. Vertical portion, horizontal portion, cuboid, and rib. Let's start activity. Select Part Design Workbench. Click here to add a new document, Add Body. Select Additive box. Select Reference Plane. Provide dimensions. You can use expressions. This plus this plus this. Add this box. Let's make horizontal base. Click OK to add. Let's add this part. Select Reference Plane. Offset Body. Change box dimensions. Move this body in Y direction. Click OK to add. Let's add box here. Select Reference Plane. Move box. You can use Expression tool. Change box dimensions. Select this face and create a sketch on it. This sketch is to remove material with the help of Pocket tool. Auto constraints are turned on. Trim extra things. Provide constraints. Define planar constraints. You can see fully constrained sketch. Select Polyline tool and make triangle to make a rib. Make a closed loop. Apply constraints. Define planar degrees of freedom. Sketch is fully constrained. Close this sketch. Select Pocket tool. Remove material. Select this face and add a new sketch. Make rough sketch. Auto constraints are turned on. Apply constraints. Apply tangent constraint. Define planar degrees of freedom to make this sketch fully constrained. Click OK. Select Pocket tool to remove material. Select this edge. Click on Task, Apply Fillet. Click OK to finish. Select Last Feature. Make this condition to true. And there you have it. By following along and analyzing the isometric view, you've successfully recreated this part. Well done! Move this imported part. Change color. Keep exploring, experimenting, and pushing the boundaries of your creativity.